Hi, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ SSC ꯒꯤ aspirants ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ GKGS ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ welcome ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯀꯣ. ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯀꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯛꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯖꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ GKGS ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ aspirants ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ error detectionꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ previous year questions ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯔꯦꯀꯣ. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ previous ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯇꯁꯨ idioms and phrases ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ black bookꯇꯒꯤ ꯈꯟꯒꯠꯂꯕ top 200ꯒꯤ ꯈꯟꯒꯠꯂꯕ idioms and phrases ꯈꯔ and previous yearꯗ ꯍꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ idioms and phrases ꯈꯔ ꯅꯩꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ and ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯖꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ SSCꯒꯤ upcoming ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯪꯒꯗꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯀꯣ. and ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ error detectionꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ previous yearꯗ ꯍꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ GDꯗ ꯍꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ stenoꯗ ꯍꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ CPOꯗ ꯍꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ. and it is MCQ formatꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ particularly ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ SSSGD ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 4th of February ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 25th of February ꯂꯣꯏꯒꯗꯧꯕ SSSGDꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯨꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯁꯕꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯕꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣ. ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯪꯉꯛꯀꯗꯧꯕ and previous yearꯗ ꯅꯩꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯀꯟꯁꯦꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯀꯟꯁꯦꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ and ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ PDFꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ GKGS ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ WhatsApp ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯐꯣꯂꯣ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯀꯣ. and ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯁꯨ ꯐꯣꯂꯣ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣ. ꯑꯩ ꯗꯦꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞꯁꯟꯗ ꯂꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯔꯝꯒꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ. and so with this ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ngasi question hongnaba hotnarasi kuma. and here akhoi question horasi ahanba question asi akhoi SSCGD 2019 da hangraba domba question amani ko. and the question adu kaino in this novel I came across some words whose meanings I do not know. ai mayam si manipur da meaning ka today hanjara roge ko mayam yamna haibong ken to ni akhoi si di adom mayam kano meaning ga si dom khang leirabni. and so I'll just ai concept ko mayam da explain to jang ko. and here the option number A da kai lere came across lere, and option number B the whose meaning lere, and option number C the in this novel lere, and option number D the do not know and hai. here mayam akhoi hida laliba akhoi grammatical areas kadai da no have them whose meaning have the gas da lal whose hairoba akhoi whose haigana whose meanings and hagen kai gino ai mayam the sentence something explain to ko. I do not know whose cycle it was kan ha kana gi cycle no ai khangde and have I refer to the sinaba akhoi reflective adom pronoun kai sina whose sinaga dom ko na whose sinara akhoi kai sinaga ni whose sinaga ni. so the correct option is kaino option number B whose meaning hai ro. so akhoi kai ha gani whose meaning hai gani. and question number 2 the akhoi sisu SSCGD 2019 da hangraba domba question mo mayam gi damakta experience mayam gi damakta pudun laksare. that is the question is you are invited to build a better community by planting a seed of peace within and a tree outside. and option number A lere, option number B lere, option number C lere, option number D lere ko mayam pa biro ko. and here kaidawa akhoi hida subject lere ko akhoi hida bhab lere subject you ni ko se bhab are ni sum mi ko mayam subject se plural form gi type lere ko. and kaidawa sorry subject se is mr ko dedi kai mayam lere akhoi hida kaidawa sorry ko subject lere hida are lere ko the invite lere si invite ni ko mayam lan de kari akhoi structure de haijar ki ko mayam subject plus is am are plus okay verb ki third form oidum na tron bi verb ki third form of the verb sina gadum. sure ida the akhoi best form of the verb to sina later. so akhoi correct option je kai tare you are invited to tare si kai ha ganu ko you are invited and ha gadum ko third form of the verb sina gadum ne ko you are invited to ha gadum. and with this question number 3 dam continue to say and sisu SSCGD 2019 ki question amani ko ma. so question to the while we would like all Indian children to go to school we need to ponder why they does not and ha. so yeng asi the kadai wa jaga da no mayam la lipse ko. so la lipse jaga se khoi option number is the later option number A that we need to ponder, option B the while we would like, and option number C the Indian children to go to school, and option number D is D the why they does not and high. here ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯦ they does not ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ they ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ plural form of the subject ꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ and thus ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ singularꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯧꯅꯦꯕ so ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ while they does ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤ do ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤ while they do not and ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ D ꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤ why they do not and haiganibо gyan tare ko me and question number 4 da mo yeng sisu akoi SSC 2019 gi question ni kari it makes us realize how unsuitable our education system are because it cannot help us deal with life's most basic issues and option number A the education system are option number B that it cannot help us and option number C the life's most basic issues and option number D that it makes us realize and and so it's singular later subject and makes singular so make us and here R have a verb plural and here education system education system our education system subject this subject is singular subject singular and magi plural so subject agree so R is singular so kaigino ha matam the subject se singular oi ta gadi kedoba akhoi verb se plural or subject ka verb agree ta gadone then correct option is option number A education system are higher education system is and high gane subject is singular so verb should be singular and question number 5 the akhoi laire SSC 2019 question is so akhoi computers everywhere use random numbers as keys to lock or unlock encrypted information and option number A the akhoi gi laire encrypted information and option number B the computers everywhere and option number C the use random number as and option number D the keys to lock or unlock and hide option ching laire option ching je yambiro I concept to explain to jarage here akhoi infinitive form infinitive structure me khangbiramagani that is 2 plus kedo ba ki base form of the ba oidone here kedo 2 plus ba ki third form oi laire log se so adona kedo option number D is the correct option ko kai orane koi keys to lock or unlock and hide gadone kaigino lock se sinaro hida lock se de b3 ne ba ki third form of the ba ne and akoi hida akoi 2 plus kai sina gadone ba akoi structure da ba ki base form of the ba sina gadone ba now dona ke do lock se sina gadone and next question the question number 6 SSC 2019 the question ni ko most major holidays has some connections to the sense of the seasons everywhere and option number A most major holidays option number B to the sense of option number C has some connections and option number D seasons everywhere and so akhoi gi hidadi kai tare akhoi gi verb has habse kaina singular ne singular form of the verb ure and here like the most major holidays is this subject se plural ne do ta de akhoi gi verb se subject se agree toriba agree oide so akhoi gi verb se kai oige don do ta ga de have no mo sin do na plural oina gi don because subject is plural adona marakanda akhoi gi kedoba option say that is option number C is the correct option komyam khangani ka si kai hai ga dona khoina has some connection ni hota khoina have some connections and hai gane connection and question number 7 the youngest why she was angry with her son and hai ko the interrogative form and option number A the she was and option number B the angry with option number C the why her son and option number D the why and hai ko so she to SSC 2019 the question ni and here akhoi ke do ba she interrogative form of the sentence ni ko and here the akhoi kari e la kari mong de e la assertive mong de e la aduna interrogative o hen gi ha ta de akhoi ke do ba verb sina ke do ba subject ki mamang da akhoi la order ne ko la kan ko ma aduna ke ha ne akhoi she was ki mohta akhoi na ke ha ne was she na ha ne so the correct option is option number A ko and next question number 8 tong si SSC Steno group C and D ki question ni stenographer gi 2021 da ki ko and there is a few water in the bowl on table and high ko yam phajaba question amni. Option number A, there is. Option number B, in the bowl. And option number D is C, on the table. Option number D, if you water. Mayam akhoi khangbiramoni water haibse kedoba akhoi uncountable oiba uncountables noun ko uncountables noun ni aduna kedoba if you is the few or the few kan haibse de akhoi kai de sine countables sine gadone. So akhoi uncountables ke kai sine ni ta de a little little guys, the little guys sina de mo sina kai do akhoi uncountables to sina gadone. So a few water gi mohta akhoi kai mo chila ne option number D kai option ne mo chi kai wa ne a little water na akhoi mo chila ne. And question number 9 dong yang asne ek SSC Estino 2021 gi question ne komya. And akhoi gi question adu di a community is a group of people who shares a common culture. A group of people, option number A, and option B, who shares the option number C, a community is, and option number D, the common culture. So I explained to you again. Akhoi the verb is singular, and akhoi the community has a collective. Collective or collective noun ko aduna kai do collective ki the singular sin na sum me ko and he da ko shares have a verb fongi ko and she reflect or ko subject reflect or reflective pronoun mo fongi who is reflect or na people's the again dai ko ma people se kai no ko plural no tro plural ne du hai ba si gi shares de ke do ko singular ne si di singular ne do ta de ko plural subject de ko plural verb sin no thok ta shares ki mo ta ko ne kai la ne share no mo sil ni do ta shares in plural ne do ba si gi shares na ko kai ha singular ne na ha ko do ta here the correct option is option number B, that is who shares a have so ordinary ko si kai no mo sil ka ne ba ma who share a and ha ka ni ko shares la le. And question number 10, the jury are from different parts of the country. CPO 2020 the hunger question. Here option number A, the are from, option number B, the jury, option number C, the different parts, and option number D, the of the country in high. Do that the yang si are high ure perhaps are the plural form of the bar. The jury is the kind of bench of justice bench of justice and kind of collective kit explain to collective form of the verb to singular sin aduna ke do ma singular no mo chila kai ola ne is no chilo to me silani ko the correct option is from and is from and are from and question number 11 is CPO 2021 question ni ko and question if you will search this pocket you will surely find your watch ko nang sige sentence yam post like and option number A, that find your watch, and option number B, that you will surely, option number C, that if you, and option number D, that will search and high. Option number A, sorry, sentence if you will search future most nang magi pocket to search the future nang kari nang watch to so explain to concept if unless until less kai matungda model form of the verb se question de model form se question de like model form hai ta de should would will shall se if unless until se matungda question de so aduna correct option se kai ta re will search option number D that is if you give will correct sentence if you search this pocket you will surely find your watch and high and question number 12 the SSC 2021 question and here the question that part no sooner did the ship does the shore when the seller when the seller jump into the water and and option number A to this when the seller, option number B to the jump into the water, and option number C to the shore, option number D to the ship does mayam da koi correct option du kai tare ai structure dom ta hijack ke koi grammatically la le do koi no sooner ha ba koi phrase ma sa siga ko koi ge ma correct formation je kai go ga dum ne ba then ha do o ga dum ko no sooner and then adu ta de sigi when je koi kai no mo chila ne then chi no mo chila ka ne yan tare ko me adu ta de option number A se koi correct option ne kai gi sigi when je kai no mo chila ne then the seller and ha ga dum adu ta de correction then do kai tare no sooner did the ship touch the shore ko then the seller jump into the water and hide in it. And question number 13 the jengase SSC GD 2022 question namni ko se and Mr. Bansal is the more methodical person in our staff and option number A the in our, option number B the Mr. Bansal is, option number C the office staff, and option number D the more and high. And here akwai kai u fange superlative degree mo u fange ko Mr. Bansal ki khoi ke da bhab summe is summe ko and ke da quite methodical or quite systematic or have ne ko careful or ko dum have ne ko careful of a person methodical of a person and have the more koi more is the kai disina ko comparative degree disina ko adu ta de koi khang da gi matung da koi kai to superlative degree la ka dum superlative degree la ka ta de koi more kai ni mo chila ni most mo chila so the correct option is option number D the more high the most high gan ko Mr. Bansal is the most methodical person in our staff and question number 14 the yang CPO tire to 2021 the hang question and this newspaper has a bigger circulation from any other newspaper in our town option number A a bigger circulation, option number B from any other newspaper, option number C this newspaper has, and option number D in our town do ta de khoi yang asi da khoi degree mu phang kai degree no comparative degree a bigger have to phang kana gi marak ta compare to degree this newspaper ma song akhoi gi atop newspaper town da leba atop newspaper si da compare to ne do ta ga di ke to has a bigger has na khoi comparative degree ni ko khoi u phang se comparative degree mu phang comparative degree da khoi from ai sin kai ni mo chila kan then ai sila ko this newspaper has a bigger circulation than any other newspaper in our town ko so the khoi la le jaga se from ne do ta the correct option is option number B from any other newspaper high ro khoi kai ni mo chila kan then any other newspapers and high gan ya khang ni ko. And question number 15, last but not the least, ko yang ase do ta SSC Estino Group C and D 2021 hang give question ni ko. And apple growers in Himachal Pradesh says they are harvesting a bumper crop this year due to good weather conditions and here you can see apple option number A the apple growers in Himachal Pradesh says, option number B that they are harvesting, option number C due to good weather condition, and option number D a bumper crop this year and the entire sentence structure na rasikomya ko shares have a verb u phang are have a verb u phang and the too good have some to infinitive ki mong 2 plus b 1 so message ko and they have a plural ni are so me they gi mo da ko are plural form da so me the shares singular ni ko plural o ga ta de say ko plural and shares sai ta ga de s subject ta ga de singular ko yang khang ni ko me plural o ga ta de s ya ro say ka tang ha ga ni do da ko singular hen ga ta ga de S A Y S S subject kan ko so aduna ka dawa akhoi gi the preposition gi mamang da lai ba ko preposition in je preposition gi mamang da lai so ko gi subject o dine apple growers ko apple growers di kai na ko plural ne do ta de me am ko la le ga sa ka da no shares la ne so singular se kai no ho chila ne plurals no ho chilo ro ne shares na ko na singular se ko share have a plural no ho singular ne. So option number A is the correct option. Apple growers, that is plural and preposition ki mamang da lai so koi subject oi ni ha ko any preposition ki mamang da lai subject oi ni kanya aduna in Himachal Pradesh says ha kai ha ni say and ha ko with this akoi gi kedawa nasi gi error detection gi ahanba etare ahanba class number 1 that is error detection gi madu lojare mayam na akoi gi video sida ki kana ba khara tang phang ta ga mayam na like to biramo share to biramo and subscribe to biramo ko and mayam gi suggestion ju adum comment ta thambiramo ko any kind of suggestion ko but ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄꯗꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯁꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ PDF ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠꯁꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ WhatsApp group ꯀꯣ and WhatsApp channel ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯗꯦꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞꯁꯟꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯔꯝꯒꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯖꯣꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣꯀꯣ and GKGS ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ WhatsAppꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ WhatsApp ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯁꯤꯒꯤ WhatsApp ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ so with this ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ